Okay, now in this video, we will download Python and we will see how to download the Python. Okay, so first we have to go to the Chrome and here we have to search uh, Python download. And here the first website is at python.org. Here we have to go and here we have to download the Python latest version 3. Okay, in background it is ये download हो रहा है. So 27 MB का है. So here ये डाउनलोड हो चुका है. तो अब हम इसे देखेंगे. सो अभी हमें ये दो पाथ को चूज कर लेना है. यूज एडमिन प्रिविलेज यूज पाथ डॉट exe और कस्टमाइज इंस्टॉलेशन पे जाके ये नेक्स्ट और इंस्टॉल पाइथन 3.3 फॉर ऑल यूजर्स और रिमेन ऑल द स्टफ एज इट इज and then install. We want to allow yes. So it is being set up in our computer. It will take some time. थोड़ी देर में हो जाएगा. So yes, setup was successful. So now we have to close it and now we'll go in CMD. So in C here we have to press window plus R and here we go CMD. Here we have to write um, Python hyphen version and enter. So here we got Python 3.13.1. So it means that Python is installed in our PC. So